Good evening, traders. Welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal, and you're watching Nifty and Bank Nifty short-term view. Today, we can see that it is almost a sea of red. Just one index possibly was trying to pull back Nifty on slightly on the upside, but by the time it closed, even the IT pack did manage to give up all its gains and closed in red and participated with all other sectoral indices. Now, overall, Bank Nifty, especially the PSU banking pack, was the main culprit to bring the markets down and especially the Bank Nifty down. Now, looking at the Nifty, if you remember in my previous video also, I had clearly mentioned that yes, we have seen a 3 days pullback and my title of video was so far so good. But we were still within a resistance band, and that resistance band was from 19,779 to 19,550, 546. So what happened over here was that the resistance did show its true color. Markets did open gap down. Obviously, yes, we had some negative news about the war which is going on between two countries. It's very sad to hear that. But that is what it is, and price started coming down in the gap down. Initially, there was a pretty decent pullback in the first hour, but slowly and steadily, the selling again accelerated as the trading day progressed. Now, if you look at the daily time frame chart, what we can see that we are still trading near an important support. You can see that we are still trading near an important support, and this is a 3 years old trend line, all right? And this has been tested once more somewhere over here. If you have a look at the hourly time frame charts, the trend is down. In the daily time frame chart also, since the price is below the dual moving averages, the trend is down. But now it is like as if we are between a support and resistance. This is the support because this is also a gap, and this is also the baseline of this trend line support, which was tested even over here. So once probably we start trading below 19,455, 19,400, there is a possibility that we could head slightly lower near the 19,331 mark. And once we break this, then I guess we'll need to be more watchful in the markets. Not a very good time to trade very, very aggressively. Stay patient. If any of your long positions are getting stopped out, please obey to your stop losses, because this is not the time to fight with the market. Now, looking at Bank Nifty. Now, Bank Nifty is a little bit looking more worse than Nifty. The reason for that is Nifty at least managed to surpass this resistance band at least by 40-50%, and then it came down, and still it is not near this recent low. But Bank Nifty, if you check properly, it did go up, and this is the resistance band which I shared in the Friday video from 44,397 to 44,760, and exactly from this resistance band prices have come down. Now if you check the daily time frame chart, we have once again closed below this trend line. This was the first day we closed below it. Then we had a couple of different sort of trading sessions where we did gap up and we stayed above the trend line, and this is once again we are below the trend line. The more number of times we violate a trend line, generally the importance of that trend line gets diminished over a period of time. So as a trader, you'll have to be watchful. This is important support, 43,600. If we close below this, then we might see some lower levels coming up in Bank Nifty, maybe 43,225, maybe even you can say 42,887. But till the time we are holding on this level, things are okay. But volatility might persist even in the next few days. Stay patient. Do not initiate too many trades until and unless you see extreme high probable trades in that particular sector, and that particular stock should be going in the same direction. So trade less, be patient. If any of your trades are getting stopped out, do not fight with the market. Be humble, stay humble, and that's it for right now. Take care, guys.